Now, moving on. Remember, everyone, I, we, you, they, don't. He, she, it must use doesn't. I don't like football. He doesn't like football. What about me? Teacher Demyan doesn't like football. That is a lie. I love football. Okay, now, moving on to the next one. I don't like Fred, and Fred doesn't like me. I is used as a plural form, and Fred is a singular form, referring to one person only. And remember, it's not Fred don't like, it's Fred doesn't like. Got it? It's a common mistake, this one. Fred don't like. All right, moving on to the second one. My car doesn't use much petrol. My car refers to one car only, so we use doesn't. And it's not my car don't use. Usually I would hear my car don't use. That is wrong. Okay, last one here. Sometimes he is late, but it doesn't happen very often. Sometimes he is late, but it doesn't happen very often. So the action of him being late is only one. So it uses the it and it uses doesn't. All right, everyone, let's move on to C here. We use don't / doesn't plus infinitive right here. So don't like / doesn't speak / doesn't do, etc. First one. I don't like washing the car. I don't do it very often. Number 2, Sarah speaks Spanish, but she doesn't speak Italian. You're probably wondering, why does this have an S and this doesn't? When we're already talking about talking with a singular person, one person. Well, but she doesn't speak Italian. Thus, we already have an S here, so it indicates one person only. Now moving on, Bill doesn't do his job very well. Not Bill doesn't his job. And last but not least, Paula doesn't usually have breakfast. And it's not doesn't has, it's doesn't have. Got it, everyone? Well, that wraps it up for today's video. I hope to catch up with you all soon in our next grammar lesson. See you next time here at Creative Edu Academy. Teacher Demyan out.